everybody, and welcome to Dryer Days Art Studio. I'm Catherine. Thank you so much for being here today. As you can see, I have all DecoArt products here today. As many of you may know, I make my own pouring medium, and I'm kind of devout to that, but I knew that DecoArt had a pouring medium and I really wanted to try it out. I really wanted to try their top coat as well, so I thought, let me do a video using all of their products. All of the paint colors that I use in this painting are warm white, cadmium yellow, desert turquoise, and royal fuchsia, and I can include those in the description. I took the pouring medium and I read all the directions. I watched a couple of their videos on YouTube, and the directions do include pouring ratios, which I really appreciate. I get that question a lot in the Facebook group, is what do you mix your paint to pouring medium ratio? So with DecoArt, they say to use their craft paint 1:1 with pouring medium. So 1 part craft paint to 1 part pouring medium. This is a 12 by 12 inch canvas, so I knew I wanted at least 5 ounces of paint. I really like to always make a little extra, so I was going to make about 6 ounces here, give or take. So I am measuring out about 0.75, give or take, because I always kind of go a little over, paint, and then I will add pouring medium until it is about 1.5 ounces. Again, per their website and videos, DecoArt does say that you can use this pouring medium to your preference. So if you want to use more pouring medium, that's up to you. I usually mix pouring medium into the paint, and then I will add more water if I think I need some to consistency. I did not do that in this video. I wanted to stick strictly to just paint and pouring medium and not add any more water, and to observe what results I would get from doing just that. This scale really comes in handy. I have all of the tools and products that I use listed in the description of the video, below the video, with links to where you can buy items for yourself. I think this scale was under $10, and it just comes in so handy. I am going to do a dirty flip cup and put all of my colors into the one cup here in the middle. I only added 1 or 2 drops into the fuchsia and 1 or 2 drops into the turquoise, and then I gently stirred that in. With some of that extra paint that I made, I did want to add some to the canvas. I just like to do this. It helps the paint move a little bit better if you have some other paint down on the canvas and aren't just pouring on a completely dry canvas. Helps move that paint around, get it to all the edges, and just a personal preference of something I like to do. You don't have to do this. The movement and flow of the paint was pretty good. As I mentioned earlier, I did not add any water, And I probably would add some water the next time, which I do in that follow-up video of the round. I do add a little bit of water in the cups and it moves a little bit better. I could probably also add more pouring medium in, as the DecoArt page recommends. However, I did just want to try this with a 1-to-1 ratio and see how that worked. And here is a close-up, still wet. The lighting in my studio in the corner where I set this down was horrible, so I apologize for that, but you can see getting some nice cells. Each of those colors really popped out, which I was happy about. So here's a time lapse of the top coat, which I have now put this top coat on 3 different paintings, and I love it. It is self-leveling, non-yellowing, and you just pour right in the center, manipulate around as if it were a pour, and it will just move its way all around the canvas. Here I'm just adding it, rubbing it into the sides, making sure my sides are nice and covered. Beautiful shine on there. Nice and consistent everywhere. You can see it just dried beautifully. It made those colors pop back out. The colors are more vibrant. I just loved making this. It was so much fun. Very inexpensive. I will put all the pricing down in the description and break it down for you guys, how it differs from other pouring mediums and paints and stuff like that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Come check us out over in the Facebook group, Acrylic Pouring and Fluid Painting. We're having a great time over there. This part I just wanted to show that I do tape the backs of my paintings, and you can see how messy that back got. And here as I pull the tape off, it's nice and clean. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and until next time, keep on pouring.